नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JVN Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology, going to deliver a lecture on conservation of biodiversity, which belong from the course Environmental Study and from the program BSc B.Ed second semester. Today we are discussing in situ and ex situ method, which are for the conservation of biodiversity. You know that biodiversity possesses a rich and diverse fauna and flora and is unique in having immense natural beauty in its different ecosystems. The maintenance of species and ecosystem is a keystone to sustainable development. Therefore, the protection and efficient management of wild species and their environment is the prime objective of the conservation. The basic difference between in situ and ex situ lies on the habitat place where the process is carried out. In this PPT, I am giving the difference between in situ and ex situ conservation, which is very useful for the competitive exams like UPSC, SSC, state, NDA, CDA, and the railways, etc. First, we are going to start from the objective of the conservation. There is a first objective as conservation means the judicious use of natural resources, preventing wastage and the degradation. There are important objectives of conservation which are given below. First, preserving of the quality and purity of environment. Second, establishing a balanced cycle of harvest and renewal so that a continuous supply of natural resources is ensured, which means that we cut trees, we should plant an equal number. Now, come to the point, what is in situ conservation? In situ conservation is one of the method of the conservation of genetic resources in natural population of plant or animal species. In other words, it is a set of conservation techniques involving the designation, management, and monitoring of a biodiversity in the same area where it is encountered. This is called our in situ conservation. Next, ex situ conservation. What is ex situ? This is one of the method of the conservation of living organism outside their natural habitat through genetic conservation. It includes both captive propagation of species and their eventual release into natural or restored ecosystem. Now we can take some differences between in situ conservation and ex situ conservation by these table. In situ conservation, first point is observed as it means conservation of biodiversity on site. Ex situ means conservation of biodiversity from their site of occurrence. Second difference observed as protected areas are the sanctuary and national park in situ conservation. And in ex situ conservation, there are artificial conditions created to make their habitat almost like natural habitat. Third difference, it aims to enable biodiversity to maintain itself within the context of the ecosystem. And in ex situ conservation, it involves the maintenance of genetic variation, genetic conservation away from its original location. In situ conservation, fourth point observed as establish protected area network with appropriate management practice corridors to link fragments, restore degraded habitats within and outside. And in ex situ conservation, it established botanical and zoological garden, conservation stand, blank of germ plasm, pollen, seed, seedling, tissue culture, gene and DNA, etc. In our next differences, in situ, it involved in the reduction of biotic pressure rehabilitations, and in ex situ conservation, it identifies and rehabilitates threatened species, launched augmentation, reintroduced or introduction programs. In situ conservation helps in the multiplication of the species through the process of evolution and adaptation. And in ex situ conservation, this method will enhance the probability of reproductive success for endangered species. In situ conservation, it maintains the ecological integrity. And ex situ, it creates artificial natural habitat for endangered species and also protect the species from the extreme threat like predation and poaching. This session powered by the digital version Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. I hope you satisfy with my digital session. If you have any query and doubt, please mention in comment box. I'll resolve it. Thank you.